What's up, Sue Gang, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be on how I created this look, honey. Okay, just look at the jacket. Okay, just look at the jacket. Okay. All right. If you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and continue watching. Okay, let's go.
Black girl, look at that black girl. Queen, yeah. Queen.
This jacket was super plain when I got it. Literally no distress, nothing, just plain. And I was, going with off this hat to make it match. I put a new 4G on Y'all, that's the shit. I don't know the words, but yeah, that's the shit. But yeah, this is the jacket. Let me know what y'all think down below. I will be taking orders, so let me know if you interested. Let me know. Ooh. Hey Sue Gang, welcome back to my channel. This is the jacket, plain, literally no distress, no nothing. So I got it from Burlington, and we're gonna use this puffy 3D, some glow in the dark, acrylic, safety pins, a seam stripper, the bleach, the pins, the glitter, fabric, scissors, all that good stuff. So here we simply going ahead and pinning on the pins. These pins was custom made to fit my best friend's personality. So right here where I'm pointing at is I'm going to do the distress. You pretty much cut a slit in and then cut a slit at the bottom to pretty much know how much you're going to need as well. And now I am distressing the pocket. And I'm only doing one pocket because she didn't want like a lot. And I am using the seam stripper, I think that's what it's called, to pretty much go ahead and do that. I've already cut out the back. I don't know why I didn't record it or it got deleted, something like that, but I don't know. So I'm going to take this safety pin and I'm using this white pencil. It didn't work, but so we're going to cut across right there, and we're going to do the same thing at the top. And this is, I forget what they call it, I'm guessing distressed or whatever. So, excuse me, y'all, I'm supposed to be asleep. But I'm pretty much taking the white threads, as you can see, and like pulling those up until I get like the dark blue ones. Oh, stinky. That's Polo to all of my new subscribers, my little doggy. But now, as you can see, I am pulling out the blue ones. That's finished, and now I put the first pin in, and I didn't like how it was so much on the outside, so I end up flipping it over and start putting the pins like that, so that part can be in the inside. I didn't want that on the outside. And then of course I didn't take out the first one, so I put another one at the end to match. And y'all, this was like one of my favorite parts. I didn't expect the thread to be right there, so I am cutting that out because I wanted it to show right here. And we got the little peach feathers on the side. We went ahead and did the pocket as well. And that's the other pocket that I was showing you guys the start of. And oh my god, y'all, this is the elbow. So she wanted a patch in her elbow, but she didn't want it like just like a simple hole. So I created that little look. But right now I am going to show you guys where I will be doing all of the cuts. In simple, like literally, this is how all the cuts are done. And this is the distress. It really does get messy, you guys, as you can see. So I did all of this distress on the pocket right here, going down the front of the jacket, the bottom, the other side, pockets. Like, I did a lot of distress, and it does take time. And this is the elbow I was telling you guys about. I really liked it, this part. And that's the back. I went ahead and cut it out, and I also made the around the back, like, you know, a little more distressed to give it a better look. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the glow. This is supposed to glow in the dark, but it didn't. I don't think it did, like when I turned the lights off on the jacket. But the colors stand out and it's pretty bold. And I did not put a lot, because like I said, this jacket will not be like super extra or anything like that. But yeah, I put it in certain spots, and when I did it right here, oh my god, y'all, this is like one of my favorite parts on the jacket. So this is the acrylic white. I forget exactly what it's called, but I'm giving it like, I don't know if you call it like the acid look. And you guys, I pretty much eyeballed this part. I didn't measure or anything. And I went ahead freehand. She wanted it to say fearless. This was the first draft. I didn't get to record the second draft. I didn't like this one. So I ended up with this. So now we're going to go ahead with that same white acrylic paint. And we're going to color this in white. This is something she did want. Look at Polo. Like, gone, bro. Like, you got, look, he just put his little skunk on my back. Yo, I love him so much. But, yeah, we're going to go ahead and color that in white. That's the color that she wanted. And we're going to put the little glitter on top of there. Yo, I'm so excited how this jacket came out. Like, it's super dope. Sprinkle some little glitter. Polo, get out of my face. And this is the bleach pen. So I went ahead in certain areas that I wanted to put bleach in, and I literally just wiped it on there, drew how I wanted, like literally, like you can see, literally scribbles. And I really like how it turned out, and especially on these little parts too. Like, it was so dope. Like, I didn't, like I said, didn't want to make it like super extra or anything like that. So, and right there, I liked it this as well. I put SW for her initials. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and sew up the back of this. Like I said, y'all know I don't get detailed on the sewing, but that's all done. Your girl is definitely about to have a chip break. Okay, y'all, these are so good. Like, I used to mix the regular white cheddar popcorn with hot flaming. I think that's how it was, something like that. I can't even remember, but yeah. So this is how the jacket look. I did add more acid on the back of the jacket, and yeah, you can see the hat with the jacket. The hat is a little lighter, but when you put it on, it all flows together. So I'm giving y'all a look at the jacket one more time. Super dope, right? Let me know what y'all think down below. My favorite part. What's your favorite part of the jacket? This jacket was custom made for my best friend. Long story short, she got the little black hero hat and she wanted the jacket to match. And the price was too pricey. So I'm like, best friend, I can do that, you know. Send it over here. Send it to me, your girl. Let me get you right, best friend. Okay. So we went to Burlington and found the jacket. And I really thought this jacket was super cute. And it was plain. Perfect for me to work with. She didn't want a lot going on. She wanted her simple. So that's what I made. She wanted her elbow out on this. And I really think this is like super cute. I created this little safety pin thingy. I thought was really dope. It kind of looked like bars. And I also made these custom made to pretty much bring out the personality of her. This is her daughter. We got Tupac on here because on the Black Hero hat, they got Biggie, Nipsey. Oh, that's it actually. But I just felt like Tupac belonged in there. Like, so I got a Tupac one, Polo barking because he want to go outside. Her nephew, she's a Cancer. I got the little Cancer sign on her. My best friend is dope as fuck, period. She gonna be the CEO of some shit. And her guy. And she's so humble. Of course, we definitely best friends. Definitely gonna prove them wrong. And she all about her money right here, y'all. If anybody is interested in getting custom made jackets made, then y'all can hit me up on my emails. All of my social media contact information is listed down below in the description box. So if you're interested in me making you a jacket, then let me know. I already have 3 more orders of people that are interested. I haven't even dropped this video yet. Let me know if y'all want a jacket or not. But yes, let me know what y'all think about this jacket. I really think it's cute and it fits my best friend personality. Let me get out of it before she be like, girl, why you have my stuff on? But yes, you guys, I really have fun creating this look. And I am not new to all of this stuff. I've been doing this stuff like in high school, and I always been like this creative. Like, none of this stuff is new to me. I just stopped doing it for a while, but now I'm back and I'm better. So I really appreciate you guys. If you don't know, by the end of this year I am trying to get a certain amount of subscribers, so make sure you guys keep subscribing. My subscribers are going up. My YouTube channel is doing so well, and I just want to thank everybody that's supporting me. Let's grow together. I love you guys, and I believe that's all I have. I have to go out and walk Polo because I know y'all hear him crying. He's ready to go out. He's looking at me like he's ready to scrap. Come here, Stink. Come on. Yo, he mad because him want to go outside. You mad? See. But y'all, that's all I have for y'all. Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that bell button to be notified when I post. And I'm out. I love you guys. Mwah. Peace.